In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an inactive account in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes an account gets made inactive by mistake, or you clean up your chart of accounts and later realize you still need one of those accounts. The good news is that in QuickBooks Online, making an account active again is simple, and all its historical data will still be there once you restore it. I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly where to click and what to look for. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online company file. From anywhere in your account, look toward the upper right-hand corner for the gear icon, which is your main settings menu. Click that gear icon, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of all your accounts, like income, expenses, assets, and liabilities. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look again near the top right of the list. You'll see a small gear icon next to the printer icon. This smaller gear controls the display options for the list you're seeing. Go ahead and click that small gear. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options that control what's shown in your chart. One of those options is a checkbox labeled Include Inactive. By default, QuickBooks hides accounts that have been made inactive, so your list stays clean and easy to manage. To bring those inactive accounts into view, click the Include Inactive checkbox so it's checked. As soon as you turn that on, your chart of accounts will refresh, and now you'll see both active and inactive accounts together. Inactive accounts will be clearly marked with the word deleted in parentheses next to the account name. This doesn't mean the account and its history are gone. It just indicates that the account is currently inactive. Now, scroll through the list until you find the account you want to restore. Take your time here and make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have similarly named accounts. When you've located the inactive account you want to bring back, look over to the action column on the right-hand side for that row. You'll see an option that says Make Active. Click Make Active, and QuickBooks will immediately reactivate that account. After doing this, the deleted label will disappear, and the account will behave like any other active account in your chart of accounts. You can now use it again on transactions, reports, and throughout your QuickBooks Online file.